We all love free tools for our business, right? But let's talk about how free can actually cost you.
Get this, searches for free email verification are up by 1,000 every single month.
These tools seem great for testing things out, but here's the part they don't tell you.
You're getting tiny limits, really bad accuracy, and absolutely no support when things inevitably break.
And just look at this accuracy gap. It's not just a small difference, it's a massive problem. Especially with Gmail, where almost everyone is. The accuracy just plummets. It's actually pretty risky.
All that inaccuracy? It leads to a high bounce rate. So what's the big deal with that?
Well, Gmail's limit is just 0.5%. Go over that and you're in some serious trouble.
Those free tools can easily cause a 3% bounce rate at 6 times over Gmail's limit.
And this isn't just one bad campaign. You are literally gambling with your sender reputation. It's permanent.
We actually tested 15 of these tools. And guess what? Not one of them hit 99% on Gmail.
So let's break it down. You've really got two choices here, the risky way or the professional way. Here's the alternative. One payment for unlimited, super accurate verifications for life.
You just got to ask yourself, is free really worth risking your entire business on?
So stop gambling. Go see the difference for yourself. You can even try 50 verifications for free.